So, hello, once again I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD Edition. As always, I'm recording locally and streaming today on YouTube live service. Let me check out the stream using my Vivaldi browser. Nice. It works just fine. So yeah, I'm back again on this Fedora 44 KDE Plasma Edition, and let me show you the system information by going in System Settings, then About the System, and here we are. Fedora Linux 44 KDE Plasma Edition, Plasma Desktop Edition. The KDE Plasma is 6.7 version. The kernel is 7012 something Wayland. The system has 32 GB of RAM, 2 TB of SD storage space. The CPU is AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX, and the GPU is also AMD Radeon RX 6800M. And now let's go to the terminal. Let's fast fetch, baby. Let's zoom in a bit. Here we are. You can pause the stream or later on the YouTube video when it will be on my channel. Just pay attention in the screen resolution. It's full 4K 3840 by 2160 at 120 Hz. And as you will see soon, I'm recording and streaming in this full native resolution but 30 FPS. And yeah, take a good look at your own pace, and then let's zoom out. Again, wrong keyboard. So let's go. Here we are. OBS settings, video, full 4K, 30 FPS. And I'm using hardware encoders for the audio and the video, FMPEG AAC for the audio, and FFmpeg BAPI H.264 for the video. I'm using 30,000 bitrate, and for the recording file I'm using MKV. So with these things out of the way, let's check out through Vivaldi browser on the official websites of Fedora and KDE Plasma. So here it is. It's your operating system, an innovative platform for hardware, clouds and containers built with love by you, 100% free and open source. Latest release 44. I have used in the past on my channel Fedora Workstation, as it says the leading Linux desktop, and now we are using Fedora KDE Plasma Desktop, the next generation personal desktop. And they also have Fedora Server, Fedora Cloud, Fedora CoreOS, Fedora IoT, and then they have Atomic Desktops, Fedora Spins, Fedora Labs, and miscellaneous downloads. So yeah, let's go to the KDE Plasma Desktop, the next generation personal desktop, a customizable high quality desktop built on the latest open source technology, trusted, powerful and easy. And of course plenty of good information and how to download and use it, blah blah blah. Let's go to the official website of Plasma KDE. Plasma is a desktop. Use Plasma to serve the web, keep in touch with colleagues, friends and family, manage your files, enjoy music and videos, and get creative and productive at work. Do it all in a beautiful environment that adapts to your needs and with the safety, privacy protection and peace of mind that the best free open source software has to offer. And as you can see, latest release Plasma 6.7, which brings powerful new features to KDE's classic desktop and refines its user experience to new levels. This one has been released in the past couple days or something like that. Supposedly it has hundreds of changes, fixes, new stuff, but maybe it's Fedora, maybe it's this version. I got a few bugs, nothing show-stopping, just like few error messages here and there, but system seemingly chugging along just fine. Anyway, I have been trying to customize the system. As you can see, here is my date and time, my calendar, as I want it to be, the weather with the forecast and all that. I like it a lot. And then the other system icons here, keyboard layout, etc, etc. This is the application launcher. And then this is my dock. And I've shown you a few things yesterday. I will show you a few things again today. I will try to load now all the apps in the dock for you to check out the customization, how well has been done so far. And let's do this. I think it's quite nice. Most of the apps, maybe I'm missing something, but for the ones that I have been checking, most of them have been pretty well, you know, with the theming, the rising, let's call it rising, as the young people do. And yeah, so far so good. Let's load some heavy apps. Let's go like this. I'm using my superpowers of mouse styler and remember Windows positions. Some great Kwin scripts. I love them. And seemingly everything goes well. And then I will show you soon. Come on, Tenacity, you can do better than that. Thank you, Tenacity. So yeah, let's go with Flat Seal, the weird apps as I call them. Just fine. Let's go with Parabolic. Usually these give me quite a lot of trouble, but they have been good boys. So yeah, all in all is going well. And then let's go here, another workspace, another desktop if you prefer. I've also managed to have my wallpaper jumper. Here it is. This is we are currently in the image 240, and then I can select another image. Let's go like 245, something like this. 245, boom, just like that. And then of course this survives restarts, updates, everything. And if there is a problem with it, you just restart the service and no problem. And then I have accomplished my Cursor Factory. Basically, as always, it asks you for the Breeze folder. I have it right here. In case that you don't have it, you just click X or cancel it and it will download it for you. And then you select the name that you want for your cursor. I will go with yellow red at the moment. I don't think I have it made, this one. Let me check out quickly. I've made quite a few, but not this one, I think. Pointers. Yeah, I haven't done this. So let's go now. Continue with it. Yellow red. So let's just go with bright yellow. And then bright red. I think this one. Yeah. And soon it will be ready for us to select it from the settings app. Here it is. So let's go. And if everything went well, I will be able to select a size as well. Sorry, just click. Here it is. And then I can select a different size, for example 24, or I will go for the biggie, for the 56. Apply, boom, just like this. And now, as you can see, across all of the apps, this cursor is functioning just properly, just fine. And let's go a little bit on the Kdenlive, which is a bit weird with the cursors, and we'll go then to Crit as well. As you can see, no problem. All the cursors reporting for duty. So let's I'll start quitting now the apps basically. No need to keep them. Let's just hide the Vivaldi browser. I want to keep this one. And then let's... Okay, this is fine. And now let's go with Krita, for example. And hopefully this one will have... Yes, the cursor works properly just as fine with this one. Beautiful. You love to see it. So yeah, this was my own personal test as well, while streaming and recording. No need for relog. Most of the apps seems to be good boys. And let's go with the writer as well. Let's see. Okay, this is the system app. I will go with the other writer, the Flatpak. This one too. Just fine. Perfect. So yeah, all in all, quite a good progress. Wallpaper Jumper, Cursor Factory, theming, rising, however you want to call it. And then what's left is basically to stress test the system, running the game at 60 FPS while streaming and recording at full 4K resolution 60 FPS. The game will also be at 4K resolution. And then we'll have plenty of apps loaded, but that's a story for tomorrow or maybe the day after tomorrow. Yeah, all in all, cool stuff. And also I've tried to install some gaming stuff, not that I'm going to game or something, but I want to see the process under Fedora. Quite easy to accomplish actually, nothing fancy, nothing crazy. And yeah, we'll see. And then after that, I will try to mess around with Blackmagic's DaVinci Resolve Studio 21 version. And hopefully I will have better luck with Fedora. I'm talking about the AMD GPU, of course, because with NVIDIA, it's I'm pretty sure it's flawless, at least for my systems. Anyway, no need to drag this any longer. I think I've shown you most of the stuff that I wanted to show you. If I'm forgetting something, I apologize, but I will do it maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Anyway, as always, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye!